Patrick from Eagle Woodworking. For over 30 years we've built custom Dovetail drawer boxes. Dovetail drawer boxes will enhance both the beauty and functionality of your kitchen. This is our general storage drawer. It helps organise the clutter and junk that accumulates over time. This drawer is divided into 14 equal spaces, but basically we can put in the dividers any way you want. I think with this system it helps you locate what you're looking for quickly and easily. This is our wine storage drawer. This particular drawer stores 14 bottles of wine. To access the lower level, simply push back the top drawer. This is another double drawer. This one here has got some dividers in it, which helps with storage. To access the lower level, just push back the top drawer. This drawer features a knife block, cutlery dividers, and utensil dividers. This utensil drawer is located underneath the cooktop. We put some dividers in to help with the storage. The age-old problem with spice storage in a regular kitchen is you can never find what you're looking for. With our bevel design, we tilted the spice jars to help us stay organized and locate what you're looking for easily. Eagle Woodworking builds its drawers with the finest maple available, and all of our drawers are customized to meet your exact specifications. Dovetail drawer construction ensures both beauty and dependability and will complement and enhance your home. On behalf of Eagle Woodworking, thank you for watching. If you'd like additional information, please email us or call us. We'd love to hear from you.